Trucks are more than just vehicles. They're powerful machines designed to handle demanding work, rugged adventures, and everyday challenges. But with the latest innovations, your truck can become even more capable, comfortable, and efficient. From advanced performance upgrades and intelligent accessories to cutting-edge safety systems and smart solutions, today's technology is transforming the way trucks are driven and used. Whether you're tackling rough off-road terrain, making your daily commute, carrying heavy loads, or spending hours on the highway, these incredible inventions can take your driving experience to the next level. In this video, we're exploring some of the most impressive truck upgrades and technologies that can improve capability, convenience, safety, and overall performance. So, get ready to discover the game-changing innovations that every truck owner should know about. Number 25, the XT COM90 is an advanced automated load securing system designed specifically for timber and log hauling trucks, bringing a new level of safety, efficiency, and convenience to one of the most demanding jobs in the transportation industry. Instead of requiring the driver to climb onto or around the truck to manually throw heavy chains, straps, or securing equipment over a load, the COM90 uses hydraulically operated bunks, telescoping stakes, and integrated lashing arms that can be controlled remotely from the truck cab. With just a few button presses, the system can secure the timber load while allowing the driver to remain safely inside the vehicle. One of its most impressive features is automatic post-tensioning, which continuously maintains pressure on the load during transportation, helping compensate for settling and keeping the logs securely restrained. The system also uses height-adjustable stakes that can be lowered when the truck is traveling empty, reducing aerodynamic drag, vibration, and unnecessary wear. Its CAN bus control system provides the driver with monitoring information through an in-cab display, allowing important load securing functions to be observed and managed from the driver's seat. By eliminating many physically demanding manual securing tasks, the COM90 can reduce exposure to strain injuries and dangerous situations around unstable timber loads, especially in wet, icy, or difficult working conditions. The automated operation can also save valuable time during loading and unloading, potentially allowing more loads to be completed during a working shift. What makes the XT COM90 particularly impressive is the way it combines hydraulic automation, remote control, continuous tension management, and intelligent monitoring into a compact solution for professional logging trucks. Number 24, the Pavelli Strong is a heavy-duty truck-mounted solution designed to improve the efficiency, safety, and versatility of demanding transportation and loading operations. Built for professional use in challenging working environments, this system focuses on providing robust mechanical performance while helping operators handle heavy loads with greater control and precision. Its strong construction is engineered to withstand the stresses associated with intensive daily use, making it suitable for applications where reliability and durability are essential. One of its key advantages is the way it integrates with a truck, allowing the vehicle to perform specialized tasks without relying entirely on separate machinery or additional equipment. This can simplify operations and help reduce the time required to position, secure, or handle materials. The system is designed with practical controls that allow the operator to manage its functions efficiently, while its sturdy components provide the strength needed for demanding loads and repeated operation. Another important feature is its emphasis on stability, helping maintain controlled movement when working with heavy materials and reducing unnecessary strain on the truck during operation. Depending on the configuration and application, the Pavelli Strong can be adapted to different professional transportation requirements, making it a useful option for industries that depend on specialized trucks for material handling and heavy-duty work. Its engineering combines rugged construction with functional design, creating equipment that is not simply powerful but also intended to make everyday truck operations more productive. Number 23, the Flegel SZS 300BL Ultra is a highly versatile semi-trailer designed for demanding heavy-duty transportation where flexibility, payload efficiency, and reliable cargo handling are essential. Developed for professional logistics and specialized transport applications, this trailer provides a robust platform that can accommodate a wide variety of materials, machinery, industrial equipment, and oversized cargo. One of its key strengths is its carefully engineered chassis, which combines structural durability with weight-conscious construction to help operators maximize useful payload without adding unnecessary trailer weight. Its adaptable loading platform gives transport companies greater freedom when handling different types of cargo, while strategically positioned securing points help operators properly restrain loads during transportation. The trailer's axle and suspension configuration is designed to provide stable road handling and effective weight distribution, which becomes particularly important when carrying heavy or unevenly distributed cargo. Depending on the configuration, The SCS 300BL Ultra can also be equipped with practical loading and securing features that make it easier to prepare cargo for transport and reduce unnecessary loading time. Its robust construction is intended to withstand the stresses of frequent commercial use, including long-distance journeys, uneven road surfaces, repeated loading cycles, and challenging working environments. Another important advantage is its versatility. Instead of being limited to one specific type of freight, the trailer can serve a range of industries where a dependable flatbed-style transport platform is required. This flexibility can help fleet operators make better use of their equipment and reduce the need for multiple specialized trailers. Number 22. The DAF Digital Vision System is an advanced camera-based technology designed to improve visibility, safety, and driver awareness in modern heavy-duty trucks. Instead of relying entirely on conventional exterior mirrors, the system uses high-resolution digital cameras mounted on the sides of the truck to capture a wide view around the vehicle and display it on dedicated screens inside the cab. This arrangement gives the driver a clear digital representation of the surrounding traffic while keeping important visual information within easy reach. One of its major advantages is improved visibility around areas that can be difficult to monitor with traditional mirrors, helping drivers identify vehicles, cyclists, pedestrians, and other potential hazards more effectively. The camera system can also provide enhanced visibility during challenging conditions such as darkness, rain, or low-light environments, depending on the system configuration and available image enhancement functions. Because the external camera housings can be more compact and aerodynamically efficient than large conventional mirrors, the technology can also contribute to reducing aerodynamic resistance and improving fuel efficiency. Inside the cab, strategically positioned displays allow the driver to monitor both sides of the truck without repeatedly looking toward large exterior mirrors, while digital overlays and visual information can further assist with judging the vehicle's surroundings. The system is particularly useful when maneuvering through narrow streets, busy intersections, loading areas, and crowded urban environments, where blind spots can become a serious challenge for large trucks. Number 21. The Globe 55-ton hydraulic flip axle is a heavy-duty truck and trailer component engineered to provide additional load-carrying capability while giving operators greater flexibility in managing axle capacity and vehicle configuration. Designed for demanding transportation applications, this hydraulic flip axle can be raised or lowered when required, allowing the truck or trailer to adapt to different operating conditions and load requirements. When additional support is needed for a heavy payload, the axle can be hydraulically deployed to place its wheels on the road and distribute the weight across a larger number of axles, helping reduce excessive loading on the primary axles. When the additional axle is no longer necessary, it can be lifted out of the way, improving maneuverability and reducing unnecessary tire contact and rolling resistance. The hydraulic operating system allows the movement to be controlled efficiently, making the transition between configurations much easier than manually adjusting conventional equipment. With a capacity designed for extremely demanding applications, the 55-ton rating highlights its role in heavy-duty hauling where massive payloads place significant demands on the truck's chassis, suspension, tires, and braking system. Proper load distribution is especially important when transporting construction machinery, aggregate, industrial equipment, and other exceptionally heavy materials, and a flip axle can provide valuable flexibility for these operations. Its robust construction is built to withstand repeated deployment cycles, road impacts, and the stresses associated with commercial heavy hauling, while the hydraulic mechanism provides controlled and dependable movement. The system can also help operators configure the vehicle more efficiently depending on whether it is loaded or traveling empty. Number 20. Right Track Systems represents a range of specialized heavy-duty suspension and axle technologies designed to improve the performance, stability, and versatility of commercial trucks and trailers operating under demanding conditions. These systems are engineered around the principle of maintaining better tire contact with the road while managing the movement of heavy loads, helping trucks operate more smoothly whether they are carrying construction materials, industrial equipment, agricultural products, or other challenging cargo. One of the key advantages of advanced track and suspension systems is their ability to improve load distribution across the vehicle, reducing excessive stress on individual axles, tires, and suspension components. This can be particularly important for heavy-haul applications where uneven roads, high payloads, and frequent loading cycles place enormous demands on the equipment. Depending on the configuration, the system can incorporate robust suspension components, specialized axle arrangements, and engineered tracking mechanisms that help maintain controlled wheel movement and improve stability while traveling over rough surfaces. Better suspension response can also contribute to a more comfortable ride for the driver while helping protect sensitive cargo from excessive vibration and shock. Another important benefit is improved maneuverability, especially when the truck or trailer must negotiate tight work areas, uneven construction sites, or challenging delivery locations. Durable components are designed for repeated commercial operation, with a focus on reliability in environments where equipment cannot afford frequent downtime. The technology can also help improve tire wear by maintaining more consistent wheel alignment and reducing unnecessary lateral movement during operation. Number 19. The B-Combi coupling is an innovative heavy-duty coupling system designed to make the connection between trucks, trailers, and specialized transport equipment faster, safer, and more efficient. Developed for professional transportation environments where vehicles are frequently connected and disconnected, this type of coupling technology focuses on reducing manual effort while providing a strong and reliable mechanical connection. One of its most valuable advantages is the ability to simplify the coupling process, helping operators spend less time positioning equipment and performing physically demanding connection tasks. A robust locking mechanism is designed to securely hold the connected components together once properly engaged, providing the strength required for demanding commercial hauling operations. The system is engineered to handle substantial loads and the repeated forces generated during acceleration, braking, cornering, and operation over uneven roads. Its practical design can also help improve working safety by reducing the need for drivers or workers to place themselves in potentially dangerous areas between heavy vehicles during the coupling procedure. Depending on the configuration, the coupling can integrate with different trailer and drawbar arrangements, giving transport operators greater flexibility when configuring their vehicle combinations. Durable construction and precision-engineered components are particularly important for this type of equipment because coupling systems experience constant mechanical stress throughout their service life. A well-designed coupling can also contribute to smoother vehicle operation by maintaining a secure connection while allowing the required articulation between the truck and trailer. Number 18. The Blackview Truck Dashcam is an advanced vehicle recording system designed to provide professional truck drivers and fleet operators with continuous visual protection on the road. Built specifically for demanding commercial transportation environments, this type of dash camera combines high-quality video recording with intelligent monitoring features that can help document incidents, improve driver awareness, and provide valuable evidence when something unexpected happens. A major advantage is its ability to capture clear footage of the road ahead, allowing important events such as collisions, sudden braking, dangerous overtaking, or unexpected obstacles to be recorded and reviewed later. Depending on the configuration, multiple cameras can also provide coverage around the truck, helping reduce the limitations of a single forward-facing camera and giving fleet operators a broader view of what is happening around their vehicles. Blackview systems are also known for compact designs that can be installed inside the cab without creating unnecessary distractions for the driver. Advanced models can incorporate GPS information, speed data, impact detection, parking monitoring, and cloud-connected functions, allowing authorized users to access footage and receive important notifications remotely. For commercial fleets, this can be especially useful because managers can review incidents, monitor vehicle activity, and better understand what happened before and after a critical event. The camera can continuously record while the truck is operating, with loop recording automatically replacing older footage when storage becomes full, while important clips triggered by an impact or event can be protected from being overwritten. High-definition imaging technology can provide greater detail when reviewing license plates, road markings, traffic signals, and other important visual information. Number 17. Highway hammocks are innovative sleeper cab accessories designed to give long-haul truck drivers a more practical and comfortable way to rest inside their trucks during extended journeys. Built around the simple idea of creating an additional sleeping space without requiring a major modification to the vehicle, these hammock-style systems make better use of the limited interior space available in a commercial truck cab. The design typically uses strong support points and durable hammock material to create a suspended resting surface that can be positioned inside the sleeper area when needed and removed or folded away when the space is required for other purposes. One of the biggest advantages of a hammock-style sleeping system is its space-saving design. Traditional truck mattresses can occupy a significant amount of room, while a suspended hammock can potentially be stored out of the way when it is not being used, giving drivers greater flexibility inside the cab. The suspended construction can also provide a different type of sleeping experience by allowing the surface to gently conform to the driver's body and absorb some movement instead of remaining completely rigid like a conventional bunk. For professional drivers spending long periods away from home, having a convenient and comfortable place to rest is an important part of maintaining energy and focus throughout demanding schedules. Highway hammocks are designed with portability and convenience in mind, allowing the setup to be used when the truck is safely parked and removed when the driver needs additional interior space. Strong materials and secure attachment points are essential because the system must reliably support the user's weight while remaining stable during use. Number 16. The SAF Tire Pilot Plus is an intelligent tire pressure monitoring and inflation system designed to help commercial trucks and trailers maintain proper tire pressure while they are on the road. Developed for demanding transportation operations, the system focuses on one of the most important factors affecting heavy-duty vehicle safety, efficiency, and operating costs: keeping tires correctly inflated. Instead of relying entirely on manual inspections, the system continuously monitors tire pressure and can automatically supply air when pressure drops below the desired level. This helps compensate for normal pressure losses and reduces the risk of operating with underinflated tires. Maintaining the correct pressure can also improve tire life because improper inflation can increase heat buildup, uneven wear, rolling resistance, and mechanical stress. For fleet operators, this can translate into fewer unexpected tire-related problems and better control over maintenance requirements. The system is designed to work with trailer wheel ends and uses an integrated air supply and monitoring arrangement to deliver the required pressure to the tires while the vehicle is operating. A major benefit is that the driver does not need to repeatedly stop and manually check every tire with a pressure gauge, saving valuable time during long-distance journeys. By keeping pressure within the appropriate operating range, the technology can also support more consistent vehicle handling and braking performance. The system can be particularly useful for large commercial trailers, where a single vehicle may have many tires and a small pressure loss can otherwise go unnoticed until it becomes a serious problem. Number 15. XL Specialized trailers are heavy-duty transport platforms engineered for moving some of the largest, heaviest, and most challenging loads that conventional trailers cannot easily handle. Designed for industries such as construction, energy, infrastructure, agriculture, and specialized equipment transportation, these trailers combine high-strength structural engineering with flexible configurations that allow operators to transport oversized machinery and massive components more safely and efficiently. One of their defining features is the availability of different trailer designs, including low-profile configurations that keep the cargo close to the road while maintaining sufficient ground clearance, helping improve stability when carrying tall or unusually shaped equipment. Depending on the model, advanced hydraulic systems can provide features such as adjustable deck heights, hydraulic suspension, steering assistance, and controlled loading angles, allowing operators to adapt the trailer to different cargo requirements and road conditions. Heavy-duty ramps and loading systems can make it easier to drive construction machinery, agricultural equipment, and other self-propelled vehicles onto the deck without requiring additional lifting equipment. The trailer structures are engineered to withstand extremely high loads while maintaining the strength needed for repeated commercial use, and carefully designed axle arrangements help distribute weight more effectively across the vehicle combination. Some specialized configurations can also incorporate extendable decks, allowing the trailer to accommodate exceptionally long cargo while remaining compact when maximum length is not required. Number 14. The Maconex Powered Hand Truck is a compact but powerful material handling invention designed to help workers move heavy equipment and loads with significantly less physical effort. Developed for demanding environments such as construction sites, warehouses, landscaping operations, events, and delivery work, this powered hand truck combines the maneuverability of a traditional dolly with an integrated drive system that assists the operator when transporting heavy or awkward items. Instead of relying entirely on human strength to push or pull a loaded hand truck, the powered system provides controlled assistance, making it easier to move equipment across different surfaces and navigate challenging areas. One of its most useful features is its ability to handle substantial loads while remaining relatively compact, allowing it to operate in locations where larger forklifts or material handling machines may not be practical. The powered drive can help the operator move loads over ramps, uneven ground, and other difficult surfaces while reducing the strain associated with repeated lifting and pushing. Its design also focuses on controlled movement, allowing the user to guide the machine while the motor provides the necessary traction and power. This can be particularly valuable when transporting heavy generators, construction equipment, appliances, tools, or other bulky items through tight spaces. The rugged construction is intended for professional use, with durable wheels and a reinforced frame designed to withstand frequent handling and demanding working conditions. Another important advantage is improved productivity, because workers can move heavy loads more quickly and with fewer people, reducing the need for manual handling during many everyday tasks. Number 13. The Weesob Forklift is a specialized material handling machine designed to make the transportation and positioning of heavy loads more efficient in demanding industrial, construction, agricultural, and logistics environments. Combining the compact maneuverability of a conventional forklift with a design focused on practical load handling, It can help operators move bulky materials through spaces where larger machines may struggle to operate. Its lifting mechanism is engineered to raise and position loads with controlled movement, allowing pallets, equipment, building materials, and other heavy objects to be transported and placed at different heights with greater precision. One of its major advantages is its ability to work in areas where space is limited, making maneuverability an important part of its overall design. The operator can use the controls to guide the machine, adjust the forks, and position loads while maintaining better visibility and control during material handling tasks. Depending on the configuration, features such as compact dimensions, robust tires, powerful drive systems, and adjustable lifting functions can make the forklift suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Its heavy-duty construction is designed to withstand repeated lifting cycles and the harsh conditions associated with professional work sites, while the reinforced lifting components provide the strength required for demanding loads. Stability is another critical aspect, because a forklift must maintain a controlled center of gravity while carrying materials, turning, accelerating, or operating across uneven surfaces. By combining a strong lifting structure with practical mobility and operator-focused controls, the WeSob forklift can reduce the need for manual material handling and help businesses complete loading and transportation tasks more quickly. Number 12. The DAF Rock-Free function is a practical feature designed to help heavy-duty DAF trucks deal with difficult traction conditions where the driven wheels may become stuck or lose effective grip on loose, slippery, or uneven surfaces. When a truck is operating on construction sites, unpaved roads, gravel, mud, or other challenging terrain, stones and debris can become trapped around the wheels or between the tires and surrounding components, potentially affecting traction and making it harder for the vehicle to move smoothly. The Rock-Free function provides the driver with a controlled method of helping release the driven wheels by using the truck's drivetrain and controlled vehicle movement to generate a rocking action. This can help loosen material around the tires and give the wheels an opportunity to regain traction without immediately requiring external recovery equipment. The feature is particularly useful for heavy trucks that regularly leave paved roads and operate in demanding environments where slip and loss of traction can occur. By integrating the function into the truck's operating system, DAF makes it possible for the driver to activate the assistance from the cab rather than relying entirely on manual intervention. This can save time and reduce the need for potentially hazardous attempts to clear obstacles around the wheels while the truck is in a difficult position. The system is designed to work in a controlled manner so that the truck can alternate its driving force and movement to help free the affected wheels. This type of intelligent drivetrain assistance demonstrates how modern trucks are increasingly incorporating specialized functions to handle real-world challenges encountered by professional drivers. Number 11. The Kogel E-Cool is an advanced refrigerated trailer concept designed to make temperature-controlled transportation more efficient, flexible, and environmentally conscious. Developed for the demanding logistics industry, where food, pharmaceuticals, and other temperature-sensitive goods must remain within carefully controlled conditions, the system focuses on reducing energy consumption while maintaining reliable cooling performance. One of its most interesting features is its use of electrically powered refrigeration technology, allowing the cooling system to operate with reduced dependence on conventional diesel-powered refrigeration units. This approach can help lower local emissions, reduce noise, and support cleaner operation during loading, unloading, and distribution activities, particularly in urban areas where environmental restrictions are becoming increasingly important. The trailer itself is engineered around a highly insulated refrigerated body that helps maintain a stable internal temperature by minimizing unwanted heat transfer from the outside environment. Efficient insulation works together with the cooling system to reduce the amount of energy required to maintain the desired conditions, which can be especially valuable during long transportation routes. The E-Cool concept can also support flexible energy management by utilizing available electrical power sources and technologies designed for modern commercial transport. Inside the trailer, consistent airflow is important because refrigerated cargo must be cooled evenly rather than having certain areas become significantly warmer or colder than others. The system is therefore designed to support controlled temperature distribution throughout the cargo compartment. Number 10. The Libner Open Box C+ is a specialized truck body system designed to make the transportation and handling of materials more practical, flexible, and efficient for professional operators. Developed for demanding applications where quick access to cargo and efficient loading are important, this open-body concept provides a versatile working platform that can be adapted to different types of commercial trucks and transport requirements. One of its key advantages is the open configuration, which allows operators to load and unload bulky materials from multiple directions rather than being restricted by a fully enclosed cargo compartment. This can be especially useful when transporting construction materials, landscaping supplies, equipment, tools, and other goods that require frequent access during a working day. The structure is engineered for professional use, with durable materials and reinforced components designed to withstand repeated loading cycles and the demanding conditions found on construction sites and commercial work environments. Its practical design can also improve visibility around the cargo area, making it easier for operators to assess the load and organize materials efficiently. Depending on the configuration, the system can incorporate features such as side access, rear access, securing points, and other equipment intended to make loading operations faster and safer. The open design also provides flexibility when handling unusually shaped or oversized items that may not fit conveniently inside a conventional enclosed body. Another important benefit is operational efficiency, because reducing the time spent positioning and accessing cargo can help professional drivers complete more jobs during the same working period. Number 9. The Spojker Max XL is a heavy-duty truck and trailer solution designed for demanding transportation applications where large dimensions, high payloads, and efficient cargo handling are essential. Built around the needs of professional operators, this specialized equipment is intended to provide a strong and adaptable platform for transporting bulky materials, machinery, and other challenging loads that may exceed the capabilities of conventional transport equipment. One of its most important characteristics is its robust structural construction, which is engineered to withstand the considerable forces generated when carrying heavy cargo over long distances and difficult road surfaces. The design focuses on maintaining stability and controlled weight distribution, helping the vehicle combination handle substantial loads while reducing unnecessary stress on individual components. Its extended and adaptable configuration can provide additional usable loading space, making it particularly useful for oversized or unusually shaped cargo that requires more room than a standard trailer can offer. Depending on the specific configuration, features such as adjustable loading arrangements, reinforced flooring, secure cargo restraint points, and specialized axle layouts can give operators greater flexibility when preparing different types of loads. The equipment is also designed with practical loading and unloading operations in mind, helping reduce unnecessary handling time when large machinery or industrial components need to be positioned on the trailer. Heavy-duty suspension and running gear contribute to stability while traveling, while appropriately distributed axles help manage the weight of demanding cargo. Number 8. The Stoneridge Side Eye is an advanced side-view camera and monitoring system designed to improve visibility and safety around commercial trucks by helping drivers monitor areas that can be difficult to see with conventional mirrors. Large trucks have significant blind spots alongside the cab and trailer, creating challenges when changing lanes, turning, maneuvering through crowded streets, or operating near cyclists and pedestrians. Side-Eye addresses this problem by using strategically positioned cameras to capture a wide view alongside the vehicle and presenting that information on displays inside the cab. Instead of depending entirely on large external mirrors, the driver can receive a clearer digital view of the surrounding traffic while keeping attention focused toward the road ahead. The system is designed to provide continuous visual assistance, helping the driver better understand the position of nearby vehicles and objects. High-quality camera imaging can be particularly valuable in poor visibility situations, while carefully positioned displays can make side-view information easier to interpret without requiring the driver to make large head movements. Another important advantage of camera-based technology is its potential to provide a wider field of view than traditional mirrors, helping cover areas that may otherwise remain difficult to monitor. This can be especially useful during lane changes, tight turns, urban deliveries, and complex maneuvering situations. The compact camera housings can also offer aerodynamic benefits compared with conventional mirror assemblies, potentially helping reduce air resistance and supporting improved fuel efficiency. Number 7. The Schmitz Cargo Bull EcoPack is an innovative efficiency-focused technology package designed to help refrigerated truck and trailer operations reduce energy consumption while maintaining reliable temperature control for sensitive cargo. In temperature-controlled transportation, refrigeration equipment can operate for many hours each day, making fuel and energy efficiency a major factor in operating costs and environmental performance. The EcoPack approach combines optimized refrigeration operation with intelligent energy management principles to ensure that the cooling system uses power as efficiently as possible instead of continuously working at maximum output. One of its key advantages is the ability to adapt cooling performance to the actual requirements inside the refrigerated body, helping prevent unnecessary energy consumption when the cargo compartment is already close to the desired temperature. This can be especially valuable during long-distance transportation, where even small improvements in refrigeration efficiency can add up significantly across an entire fleet. The system works together with the trailer's insulated body to maintain stable internal temperatures by reducing heat transfer between the cargo compartment and the outside environment. Effective insulation means the refrigeration unit does not need to compensate as frequently for external temperature changes, allowing the entire system to operate more efficiently. Intelligent monitoring and control functions can also help operators keep track of important refrigeration conditions and identify potential problems before they become serious disruptions. For logistics companies transporting food, pharmaceuticals, beverages, and other temperature-sensitive products, maintaining a consistent environment is essential, and efficiency cannot come at the expense of cargo protection. Number 6. The Smart Truck Under Tray System is a practical truck storage invention designed to make better use of the unused space underneath a commercial vehicle while keeping tools, equipment, and essential accessories organized and easily accessible. Instead of allowing the area beneath the truck chassis to remain unused, this under-tray storage concept transforms it into a secure and weather-resistant compartment that can be used by professional drivers, contractors, technicians, and fleet operators. One of its biggest advantages is improved organization, because frequently needed tools and equipment can be stored directly on the vehicle rather than occupying valuable cabin or cargo space. The system is typically built from durable materials engineered to withstand the harsh conditions experienced by trucks, including road spray, dust, vibration, impacts, and changing weather conditions. Its drawer-style or compartment-based configuration allows operators to access stored equipment quickly, which can be especially useful when tools are needed during roadside repairs, construction work, maintenance tasks, or deliveries. Secure locking mechanisms help protect valuable equipment while the vehicle is unattended, while weather-resistant construction helps keep the contents protected from moisture and dirt. Another major advantage is its efficient use of space. Commercial trucks often carry a large amount of equipment, and adding organized underbody storage can increase usable capacity without reducing the main cargo area. The system can also help distribute equipment more effectively across the truck, potentially making the working environment inside the cab or cargo compartment less cluttered. Number 5. The Oricom TPS-10 is a practical tire pressure monitoring system designed to help truck and trailer operators keep a close watch on tire pressure and temperature while traveling. For heavy-duty vehicles, maintaining correct tire pressure is extremely important because an underinflated or overheating tire can increase rolling resistance, accelerate wear, reduce fuel efficiency, and potentially create a serious safety problem. The TPS-10 addresses this challenge by continuously monitoring tire conditions and providing the driver with real-time information through a dedicated display, reducing the need to repeatedly stop and manually inspect each tire. Depending on the system configuration, sensors are fitted to the vehicle's tire valves and measure important information such as air pressure and temperature before transmitting the data wirelessly to the in-cab monitor. If a tire's pressure or temperature moves outside the selected limits, the system can provide an alert, giving the driver an opportunity to investigate the issue before it develops into a more serious failure. This is particularly valuable for trucks because a commercial vehicle may have numerous tires spread across the tractor and trailer, making manual inspection time-consuming and easy to overlook. Continuous monitoring can also help fleet operators identify gradual pressure loss, which may indicate a puncture, valve problem, or other maintenance issue. By keeping tires closer to their recommended operating pressure, the system can support more consistent handling and braking while helping reduce unnecessary tire wear. Temperature monitoring adds another layer of protection because excessive heat can be an early indication of tire stress or abnormal operating conditions. Number 4. The Blue Giant StrongArm HVR 303 is a heavy-duty vehicle restraint system designed to improve safety and control during loading and unloading operations at commercial loading docks. When trucks and trailers are positioned at a dock, even small movements can create serious hazards for workers, especially when forklifts and other material handling equipment are moving between the building and the trailer. The StrongArm HVR 303 addresses this problem by mechanically securing the rear of the trailer to the loading dock, helping prevent unintended vehicle movement during the loading process. Its robust construction is engineered to withstand the demanding forces associated with commercial dock operations, providing a strong physical connection between the dock and the trailer. Once properly engaged, the restraint helps keep the vehicle in the correct position, reducing the risk of trailer separation or unexpected forward movement while workers are inside the cargo area. The system can be integrated with dock controls and safety signals, allowing operators to receive clear indications about whether the vehicle restraint is properly engaged before loading activities begin. This interlocking approach can help create a safer workflow by ensuring that critical safety conditions are checked before forklifts or personnel enter the trailer. Another important advantage is its ability to work with different trailer configurations and rear impact guards, providing practical protection across a wide range of commercial vehicles. The StrongArm HVR 303 is designed for frequent use in busy warehouses, distribution centers, manufacturing facilities, and logistics terminals where trucks may arrive and depart throughout the day. Durable components and a carefully engineered restraint mechanism help support dependable operation under repeated cycles and harsh industrial conditions. Number 3, KLLM Transport represents a large-scale approach to modern trucking and logistics, combining advanced commercial vehicles, fleet management technology, driver support systems, and efficient freight operations to keep goods moving across long distances. As a transportation operation, its technology-focused approach demonstrates how modern trucking has evolved far beyond simply connecting a tractor to a trailer. A major part of an efficient fleet is the use of modern trucks equipped with technologies that improve fuel economy, reliability, safety, and driver comfort. Electronic monitoring and fleet management systems can provide valuable information about vehicle location, operating conditions, fuel consumption, maintenance requirements, and driving performance, allowing transportation managers to make better decisions in real time. For long-haul operations, these systems can help optimize routes, reduce unnecessary downtime, and ensure that trucks remain productive while traveling between distribution centers and customers. Driver-focused technology is equally important, because professional truck drivers spend long hours behind the wheel and require equipment that supports visibility, communication, comfort, and safe operation. Modern fleet practices can include advanced driver assistance features, electronic logging systems, onboard diagnostics, GPS tracking, and automated maintenance alerts, creating a connected environment in which the truck becomes part of a much larger digital transportation network. Efficient trailer utilization and careful freight planning can also help maximize the amount of cargo moved on each trip while reducing empty miles. Number 2, the BetterFlow Next Step Aerodynamic System is an innovative truck aerodynamic solution designed to reduce air resistance around heavy-duty vehicles and improve overall highway efficiency. At highway speeds, a truck must push a tremendous amount of air out of its path, and the resulting aerodynamic drag can require a significant amount of engine power, particularly when the vehicle is traveling long distances. BetterFlow's approach focuses on improving the way air moves around key areas of the truck and trailer, helping create a smoother airflow pattern and reducing unnecessary turbulence. The system can incorporate strategically designed aerodynamic components positioned around areas such as the front of the trailer, side surfaces, rear sections, or gaps between the tractor and trailer, where turbulent airflow can create additional resistance. By guiding air more smoothly around the vehicle, these components can help reduce drag and allow the truck to maintain highway speed with less energy. This can translate into improved fuel efficiency, which is especially valuable for commercial fleets because trucks can accumulate enormous mileage throughout their operating lives. Even relatively small aerodynamic improvements can produce meaningful savings when applied consistently across a large number of vehicles. Another advantage is that aerodynamic equipment can work continuously without requiring the driver to change normal driving behavior. Once properly installed, the system uses the truck's movement through the air to produce its efficiency benefits automatically. Number 1, the Fuel Guard is a practical fuel protection and management solution designed to help safeguard the fuel systems of commercial trucks while improving reliability and reducing the risk of fuel-related problems. Heavy-duty trucks depend on large quantities of diesel fuel to operate, making the fuel tank and associated components important targets for contamination, theft, leakage, and other issues that can create expensive downtime. A system such as Fuel Guard can provide an additional layer of protection by helping secure the fuel supply and keeping unwanted contaminants or unauthorized access from becoming a serious problem. Depending on the specific configuration, features can include reinforced fuel tank protection, locking mechanisms, specialized caps, filtration components, and monitoring technology designed to give operators greater control over the truck's fuel system. Protecting fuel quality is particularly important because dirt, water, and other contaminants can damage sensitive components such as injectors, fuel pumps, and modern high-pressure diesel systems. By helping prevent contamination before it reaches the engine, a fuel protection system can contribute to more reliable operation and reduce unnecessary maintenance. Security is another important consideration for commercial fleets, especially trucks that spend long periods parked at remote locations or overnight stops. A secure fuel system can make unauthorized fuel access more difficult and help reduce the financial impact of fuel theft. For fleet operators, even small improvements in fuel security can become significant when applied across many vehicles. Some advanced fuel management solutions can also provide information about fuel levels and consumption, helping operators identify unusual usage patterns that may indicate leaks, theft, or mechanical problems.